My name is Joachim Spada, and I work here at KraussMaffei in the Industrial Engineering Department in Parsdorf. Parsdorf is our new production site for injection molding machines and, in part, extrusion machines. We found a strong partner in NILES. We have a total of 9 machines here at our new site, including 3 new investments. The new investments help us tremendously in component production, as we can simplify different production technologies and make the complexity more efficient. NILES has been a long-time partner of ours, since 2012. We've continuously expanded this partnership. We currently have machines in every series, from N20, N30, and N40 at the new site. With NILES-SIMMONS, we also have a high vertical range of manufacture. Among other things, we manufacture screws for our small machines, drive shafts, and plasticizing cylinders for our machine portfolio from small to large. We bought the vertical range of manufacture from NILES-SIMMONS specifically because we value the technology. In other words, we've now also introduced a new technology, such as deep hole drilling. We definitely look forward to further and future projects with NILES-SIMMONS.